has now moved an adjournment motion to demand a discussion on the India-US trade deal. Well, this is almost daily as far as when it comes to such adjournment motions in the Lok Sabha is now being taken up by the opposition MPs. This is Manish Tiwari talking about as far as the trade deal is now concerned, wanting to hold a debate and discussion in the House. Well, Nyamika, this is the opposition's contention there, despite as far as when it comes to the Union Commerce Minister giving a statement there, both inside and outside the House, this issue is still not being taken up in the Parliament. The opposition wishes to, debate and discuss, but it is the same opposition which doesn't allow the House to function.
Well, it's a fact, as we have seen that how the opposition's protest is continuously going on from the previous few days. As for that reason, there are several MPs for the opposition parties only who wanted a discussion upon the India-US trade deal. They wanted to question the government of India that what is their stand upon the creation which they are making upon the government of India, stating that there is a threat which being done by the United States of not importing oil from Russia. So on what conditions this trade deal has been the minister.
All right, losing that audio connection there with Nyamika, but this seems to be the development there. This is the same opposition which wants a debate and discussion on the trade deal. Well, they have the first last few days of the first half of the budget session of the Parliament that will be ending soon, and they have this opportunity and time to take up and to question the government on every aspect, clause by clause, as far as when it comes to this interim trade framework is concerned that has been announced by the government and by the government of United States of America. But remains to be seen what happens during the proceedings of the House that convenes at around 11.